Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can add another image to a image that you are already editing. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order for me to go ahead and import another image on this image itself, all I'm going to do is click on File, click on Open, and once I've done that, I'm going to simply double click on the image that I want. And now, as you can see, here's the image that I want to add to the previous image. So I'm simply going to select on this image, and over here there is going to be a lock icon, which if you simply double click, it's going to turn the background into a layer, as you can see. And now once you have done that, if you click on the image and drag it around, you can simply move the image. And now what you want to do is you want to click and drag it all the way up here to this image, and now drop it down here, if that makes sense. There you go. And it's just going to go on the top. I had already cut this image hand for some reason, but that is simply how you do it. Now let's just say you want to make it smaller. You're simply going to press Ctrl T and then just make it smaller, as you can see. That is simply how you add a image to another image on Photoshop. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you want more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.